Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I order them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today guys, I'm really excited about this one because today we're going to be presenting to you a beautiful Airbnb villa in Draxthorpe in Marina Villas. Now guys, we featured a few properties in Marina Villas. We've also featured this property as part of our Airbnb collection, if you will. But today we want to present to you again this beautiful villa that's been upgraded and is even more beautiful than it was originally. Now this is a really special place for Outlaw and I because this is somewhere that we've stayed before. We enjoy our time here, we really enjoyed our time here, and we are so happy and grateful that we can get to share it with you also. This villa is located just 14 minutes from the popular resort town of Ocho Rios. Now Ocho Rios has a host of activities and excursions, something to meet everybody's needs. There is something for everyone. Excursions and attractions such as Duns River Falls, Konoko Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, Blue Hole, an array of shops, an array of plazas, and lots more. There is something for everyone. Okay, so as we come over here, you've got the dining table that seats 6 people. So if you love to cook, if you love to entertain, then again this is the perfect space for you. If you don't love to cook, that's not a problem. Get somebody else in to do the hard work for you. But nonetheless, I'm sure you and your family will have a great time dining in this space. Now guys, kitchen. This has got to be one of my favourite kitchens. Let's have a look. Off the corridor, we have 3 of the bedrooms. Let's start with the master, my personal favourite. Guys, isn't this divine? Isn't it beautiful? Just have a look at the space. Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom. Guys, this is something else. Have a look at this. Look at the bathtub. Onto the second bedroom. And in here, this is a great space for families, maybe with children, great room for extra adults. We have 2 double beds in this room. Into the third bedroom. And again, with the previous bedroom, this is a great space again for families, children, additional adults, as it also hosts 2 double beds. We also have great closet space as well. As you can see, there's an additional space on the top. And a huge closet inside. It comes equipped with all the necessities you'll need: iron and ironing boards. And into the shared bathroom for the 2 double rooms. Okay guys, there's even more. Let's go. This space has been greatly utilised and comes with a and desk. So guys, if you're on vacation but you've still got to check those emails, you've still got to do some work, this is a great space to sit, concentrate and get some of that work done. Behind the doors, we have the laundry area, which comes with both washing machine and dryer. And to the left, we have a separate powder room. So, if you've got any additional guests coming over that maybe are not staying at the Airbnb, it's always nice to have that separate toilet area, right? Let's take a look at the outside space. So guys, if you're looking at this place thinking, that's somewhere I'd love to be, but it's just too big for me, or there isn't so many of us coming or traveling, don't worry, we have the perfect space for you on this villa. Guys, come and have a look at this. So attached to the villa is this 1-bedroom self-contained unit that you can book and spend a few nights in, and you can still enjoy all of the amenities of the community. Let's have a look. So of course you've got your bed, and again you've got those beautiful special touches. Guys, look at this, isn't this the cutest? Dining area. Dinner for two. Comes with microwave and fridge, and of course you've got your bathroom. Again, beautiful shower. And sink area. Guys, it doesn't stop there. home to a number of Jamaican celebrities and household names. This community of Marina Villas is well known for its luxury. This is an upscale community, an upscale villa, guys, and the amenities are second to none. Some of these amenities include on-site restaurant. Guys, Bettino's, my absolute favorite restaurant. We featured it on the channel before. Take a look at that video. Bettino's Italian Jamaican infused restaurant is on site. So if you stay at this villa, you've got the restaurant within walking distance. It's a beautiful restaurant. Other amenities include tennis courts, basketball courts, kids play area, quiet areas for reading or just taking a walk. There is a pool, gym area, and I think the best feature of all is the private beach. This beach is exclusively for residents and guests only. Residents and guests only get access to this private beach. Guys, just take a look at it. It's beautiful. If you're interested in booking a stay at this luxurious villa, please do click the link in the description box. Alternatively, you can give me a call. The number is on your screen now. And guys, all bookings that come through myself, or if you click on the link and you mention that you're making this booking because you've seen this villa on That Mr. TV, you will get a discount. We hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as we have enjoyed making this video. And guys, remember, please do click the link in the description if you'd like to book a stay at this beautiful Airbnb villa. Guys, thank you for watching. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe. If you know anybody that is looking for a place to stay, then please do recommend this villa to them. And until next time, that me say.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.